All right, so I got a bunch of trees here. That's like a gang of trees that's been in my middle of my pasture. And what happened was that somebody had left some trash in here, and then this is what happens over the years when you can't mow, you know, because of all the trash, burn pile, something like that. Just a bunch of old wood. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna select a few trees in here to keep, and then the rest of them I'm gonna take down. And then I have a burn pile behind me. I'm gonna drag them to. All right, well, that was pretty easy. I kneecapped them all. The reason I did that was so I could get in there and cut the stumps down without having to worry about a tree following me. So, I mean, they're all pretty small, but still, I don't want to take any chances. So I ended up leaving 5 trees. I'm gonna show you. So I got 3 over here. So there's the 3 big ones right here in this cluster, and then over here, I got this one and this one. So I figured that'll make some pretty good shade area. Eventually, once these grow up, they'll probably go around 6 feet a year or so. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this stuff up, and then we're gonna get in here and dig up some roots a little bit, and then cut these things down. All right, so here's all the bricks and the metal we pulled out of this pile. So I'm gonna come back here, just cleared all the trees, put them over there, and then we're gonna go ahead and get the rest of these stumps up, and then make a couple more burn piles in here where this stuff's at, and then trim up these trees a little bit. Alright everybody, so went ahead and got all these stumps cut down. Went through a couple chainsaw blades and it was fun. Anyways, I'm gonna mow over all this, make it look really nice. I got a piece of metal here I gotta watch out for. It looks like a buried muffler or something like that. I'll get it eventually. But right now I'm gonna trim up some of these low tree branches and then by hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mow. So let's knock that out and then hopefully I don't hit any rocks. All right, that's awesome. So it turned out really well. I got 5 trees in here. I'll make a nice little cluster. Nothing ridiculous. I still got a little bit of debris to pick up in here. Nothing major, just a little bit of like lumber. And then I got these 2 burn piles right here in the middle I got to take care of, which will be fine. I'll keep them small. Come back in a week or 2 when it's a little more seasoned. This pile over here, I'll probably wait for a few months. I'm not really too concerned with that one. I got a pile over there beyond the lawnmower that I'll be working on too, but not too, like I said, I'm not too concerned. So just yeah, turned out good. I don't know what kind of trees they are, but they look to be all the same type, probably sycamore or sweet gum or something like that. But yeah, they're pretty good size, probably about 25 feet each, except for that little one over there. But it's a nice little circle. Hopefully it'll be a cluster like that one over there. And yeah, I think that was a job well done. Again, I kneecapped these things so that, you know, when I was cutting these trees down, I didn't have any trees following me. So case anybody was wondering about that, that's the reason. Like I said, turned out great. Pretty happy I did this. All right, thanks for watching.